In this graph, they say that y is in this format. First, before we start this question, you need to know this is vertex form of a quadratic expression. So y is equal to a x minus h bracket square plus k. This is vertex form, where a determine is that opening upward or open downward, and then h and k is the vertex. So in this question, the graph, they imply you that the coordinates by this kind of method. And one thing to remind you, this graph open upward is not related to P. It's because the square is positive 1 times of this bracket square. And the condition for minimum or maximum is when the square term becomes 0. So at vertex, when the square term, that means px plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to negative 5 over p. They try to tell you that the x position here is negative 5 over p. That's why the first conclusion is negative 5 over p is left hand side of our origin. So this is negative value. This is smaller than 0. And you have to think negative divided by something smaller than 0, which implies p is positive. Only negative divided by positive will give you a negative value. So p itself is positive values. It's not because it's open upward, it's just because of this. That's why it is larger than 0. And then another part is about the height. When x is equal to this result, then the square term becomes 0. So y will become 0 squared and then plus q. That's why the vertex, the height here is q. Q is below 0 or below origin, so q is smaller than 0. And then we make our conclusion, p larger than 0 and q smaller than 0. The answer is C.